A lovely day for a car video. Oh, frost. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today as you can see, we got the car all cleaned up. We got our winter tires and rims put on along with the hubcaps. It's that time of year where you definitely got to change, well in my area anyways, and think about safety, and that's what this video is going to be about. We've got a few safety items that we're going to carry in the back of our vehicle, and this can be used in any vehicle. So stay tuned and we'll get right to it. Alright, we chose a perfect day for this. I decided to do this in my garage rather than outside. It's so bright out. We did have frost this morning, but it is warming up, so that's good. Anyways, you can see the various stuff I got here. First off we have Autotown tire repair kit. This is great to keep in your car. Oh, sorry about the reflection there. We also have a certified tire pump to put air in your tires. This is what I really wanted to look at, was emergency road kit. So we're gonna open that up. You should also carry a lot of this too. I usually get 4 and keep them in my car. Well, it keeps the weight down too when it's snowing. I found this one. It's a nice big one. How many? I can't even see that. 9.46 liters. Yeah, it's pretty big. So I got that in the back there, and of course you never know, so carry some toilet paper, and I got tissues and stuff there too. So let's get to this. Alright, so I did the liberty of taking all the items out of their plastics and such. So this is the certified, I got this at Canadian Tire. Obviously that store is only available up here in Canada, but they make the certified brand is pretty good. Pretty sturdy. I think I paid probably about 50 bucks. I'm going to leave links to that one. Basically it just plugs right into your 12 volt inside the cigarette lighter there. So that's that. This tire repair kit. Let me get this out of here. Alright. Yeah, so it's got all the pieces you want. It's got a blade there, your pliers. I didn't realize it came with all this stuff. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's a wow, that's a tire pressure check there. There's all your plastics, so you'd use this to put the plastic in. There's many videos on this kind of stuff. There's the lubricant right there, and it's got all your all the stuff that you need for this kit. Even the, oh, look, there's a little Allen keys down here. Yeah, so it's just, this is a nice little kit from 𝙑𝙤𝙀. I'll leave the links in the description there. So that's that. We got that. Of course, you're going to carry this. Let's check out the safety kit. Okay, so they come with gloves. I'm guessing this is a safety vest. I don't really need these because at my work our PPE requires us to wear a bunch of this stuff. So there's your roadside vest. I always carry this stuff anyways. Electrical insulator tape. Of course, you got your jumper cables. This is a nice kit. I like this. Oh, and here's a roadside, what they call flares. It's LED. So I don't know if they have, let's see here. Yeah, I think you got to put the batteries in it. I'm not sure if it comes with or not. We'll check that out later. Tie strap. Oh, it's pretty heavy duty too. And let's see, what else do we have here? Oh, an actual hand press flashlight. Let's check that out. Not sure how this. Oh, yeah, turn it on. Yeah, pretty bright. But yeah, flashlight. It's nice to have. So this basically charges itself. Beautiful. I like that. A couple more items in here. Oh, this I'd keep up at the front, like in your either your glove compartment or your center console. If you need to break the glass, this will break right through the glass. There, a sec. Let's see what's in here. Something sharp. It's made out of stainless steel, so you can cut stuff with this. Yeah, a nice little tool to have by your side here. What's in here? Oh, okay. This is also a roadside thing. It's put together if you can get it out. Oh, there we go. Just gotta press down on that. Yeah. So this all hooks up into a there, and then you just sit it outside your car. So, and then this is magnetic, so it'll actually stick onto the side of your car. Over here. Yeah, so there you go. We're not going to bother powering that up, but you get the idea. So yeah, these are all the nice nice pieces that come with this. Yeah. Yeah, so I had to try the vest on. It is kind of small. I'm just under 200 pounds, and it's pretty tight, but you get the idea. It's at least you got something, right? So also there's your light and your little hazard thing down there. It's pretty cool. Reflector. And a nice clean car. Alright, I just figured I'd show you this. It does take I think it's AAA batteries, yeah. So you want to carry some AAAs on you, and you have to take these two screws up with a Phillips. All right, you knew I had to check this out and put batteries in, so I did. It does have a little hook that you could hook onto something, but like I say, it's magnetic. So we'll turn it on, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4. That's cool. 5. We got a Christmas tree. 6, 7, 8. That's a little bit lower. Whoa, another flashlight. So we're not short of flashlights here. So anyways, there you go. And there's where I'm going to keep the glass breaker, right in the center console. I totally forgot about this. A first aid kit. It's got band-aids and everything. I'm just using this as an example of what you should carry. I'm actually thinking of getting a decent one eventually. This is just a small one. Like I say, it's got actually this came with from my dealership, so a bunch of little like gauze and all that stuff in there, so at least it's something. Not the greatest one, but whatever, it's something. And so one thing I also forgot to mention was you should carry something around. I'm just using this like these cookies as an example. Granola bars are good to carry in your car. Let's just say you're in there for 36 hours, like I know somebody that it happened to last winter on the 400. Her son was stuck out there for several hours. We get, I'm going to call them Paul Bunyan snowfalls up here, where you can't, like even a major highway like our Highway 400, you just can't access the person. That there's so much snow on the road, you just can't get to them. So you need something in your car to keep you replenished. So anyways, I keep water on me all the time. I don't really carry these around, but I'm gonna think of getting granola bars or something like that. And also for purpose of the video, this is not really a good blanket, but it is something. Put a decent blanket or a comforter in the back of your vehicle as well. You could be out there for hours, and like I say, you don't want that. And if your car doesn't work, you're going to be in trouble. So you're gonna need something to keep you warm. You should be dressing warm anyways, but just those additions to your little survival pack, if you will. And there's everything all tucked away, ready to go. Anyways, that's going to be about it for this video. If you guys have any ideas what I should carry or what you should carry in your vehicle, put them in the comments below. If I forgot something, I'd like to hear your comments. At this time of year, it's very important. Like I say, it's pretty beautiful outside right now, but things change up in my area anyways, into like a terrible winter like we had last year. If you've seen some of those videos that I posted, check those out. Anyways, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Check out my link tree. It's got all my links, social media. I got a shop in there as well. Until next time, have a good one. Stay safe. Take care. Bye.